This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
To make it easier and more convenient for Volvo owners, Volvo Philippines is offering free home installation of the Volvo Wallbox for its T8 twin-engine plug-in hybrid cars. Observing strict health and safety protocols, the local Volvo dealer will deploy its Volvo Wallbox team to all Volvo plug-in hybrid car owners who want to have a Wallbox installed in their homes. The Wallbox is an essential accompaniment to a plug-in hybrid vehicle for easier and faster charging. Much like a phone charger, the Wallbox may be mounted indoors or outdoors near the vehicle to be charged. It comes with a securely mounted charging cable to lower the risk of theft. An LED indicator light will blink as the car is charging and will switch to a constant light when the plug-in hybrid is fully charged. Volvo Philippines is the first local car dealer and distributor to launch plug-in models in the Philippines. The Volvo S90 sedan, XC60 SUV, and XC90 SUV all have plug-in variants available in the country.